So do you see this?
हाँ जी.
This is the real intraoral 3D dental scan. ये दिख रहा है?
हाँ
This
जी,
is like a
कैमरा की
camera.
तरफ दिखाओ.
It's literally like a video camera, right? ऐसा सोचो कि दांत का 3D video camera है. This technology, the orthodontist is sitting on the computer, right? He is moving the teeth over here, and that is how he plan the entire treatment, design the entire smile, right? And that treatment plan then gets 3D printed in the form of teeth aligners. I think that's where the thought of Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma came about. Okay, yes, these are celebrities, great, but you know, they are the embodiments of what people want to be.
Yeah.
They have great smiles, both of them.
Correct.
They're an amazing, lovely, fun, happy couple.
Yeah, no.
Right? Totally, right?
क्या है आपका टैगलाइन भी बहुत सुंदर है. With that whole thing that
Easy
Anushka
peasy tootsie.
Easy peasy tootsie. You should do it again. 1, 2, 3.
Easy peasy tootsie.
क्या बात है. देखिए आप लोग सब, आज हम लोग ले आए हैं एक फीमेल को-फाउंडर. एक्चुअली आई हैव बीन टोल्ड दैट मुझे सिर्फ को-फाउंडर बोलना चाहिए. ऑफ मेको, सीईओ एंड को-फाउंडर डॉक्टर अर्पी मेहता. वेलकम टू मैशेबल मॉर्निंग्स. कैसी हो आप?
वेरी गुड. आप कैसे हो?
एकदम बढ़िया. ये देखिए, फीमेल लीडर्स जब भी आते हैं तब मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड होता हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे अलग टाइप की इनसाइट्स मिलती है जो मैन हमें कभी नहीं दे पाते. तो ये एक प्रोफेसर जो ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट थी और फिर डेंटिस्ट्री भी की आपने, वो स्टार्टअप कैसे बनाई? ये कहाँ से हुआ?
हाँ, सो ये बिल्कुल भी प्लान नहीं था.
हाँ.
नॉट एट ऑल प्लान, राइट? आई वाज ऑन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन करियर पाथ कि भाई मतलब सी माय पेरेंट्स वर वेरी ट्रेडिशनल गुज्जू पेरेंट्स, राइट? डैड इज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. उनका
ठीक है.
खुद का एक पेंट्स का बिजनेस है.
सुपर्ब.
Mom is a homemaker, simple woman, took care of the family, me and my sister, all of
हाँ
that.
जी.
And they had a straight line path for me, right? कि भाई बेटी है डॉक्टर बनेगी. As simple as that, right? Not too much thinking really went into that.
Of course.
So got into dentistry, did my orthodontics, which is the specialization in dentistry which deals with braces. आपको पता होगा?
Yes, of course.
Right? So did that for about 8-9 years from Nair Hospital, Bombay.
एक सेकेंड ना, आप लोग में से जितने यहाँ पर ब्रेसेस वाली पब्लिक है वो कमेंट में हमें जरूर बताना और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लीजिएगा. तो अपना नायर हॉस्पिटल.
Yes,
हाँ.
Mumbai Central.
So full मुंबईची मुलगी हैं.
एकदम. All my life, born and brought up, lived only in Mumbai.
वाह.
Never stepped out. India में भी not stayed anywhere else, except this 1 year in Paris where I was doing like a fellowship and training in this whole invisible aligner technology.
Full geek behavior.
हाँ, classic.
तो नायर हॉस्पिटल में आपने फिर अपनी डेंटिस्ट्री पढ़ी. ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट की कितनी सीट्स होती है, उसका भी एक इंटरेस्टिंग किस्सा है, मैंने सुना है.
हाँ जी.
तो क्या था वो कहानी, बताओ.
So I gave the entrance examination after
Okay.
dentistry, and in the entire state there was 1 seat for orthodontics.
1 seat.
Yes, so there are totally 10 or 15 seats for the various dental specializations.
Okay.
After you give the entrance exam. So top जो 10-15 rank है, they basically get those seats.
Of
I
course.
wanted to do ortho all along. Like I was very clear कि भाई
Okay.
यही करना है, right?
ठीक है.
It was more to do with cosmetic and smile correction and also money minting. So I was very clear.
हाँ.
But there was 1 seat for it, so you had to be rank 1 to be able to do that specialization, or you don't.
Not showing off, but showing off. She's rank 1. All of the state rank 1. Super fit girl. Very cool. So then you
Yeah,
studied
so
very
got
hard.
that 1 seat. So I think lots of love and luck also.
अच्छा,
Right?
fair enough.
Luck तो होता ही है. Slog करो, slog all your life, but luck has to be there. All of that comes together. Got that
Nice.
seat. Had an amazing 3 years of post-graduation course over there.
Okay.
बहुत solid mentors, lot of like amazing culture, discipline, rigor, सब उधर से आया.
Fair.
And then after that I taught for a year as a professor
That's what
in
I was just
Government
like. This
Dental
is so
College.
interesting. And then how does a teacher? Okay, so go on, please.
So I taught for a year as a professor in Government Dental College.
ठीक है.
As an assistant professor, and then what I really did is, you know, started my whole visiting practice in and around Bombay. So all through and through, local train, go to various dental clinics and actually treat patients there. So
ठीक है.
orthodontist का बहुत अलग होता है, right? मतलब dentists call you to their clinics to
Okay.
do their patients with braces.
Okay.
Right? So
Okay.
in a month I would visit 70 clinics. So एक दिन में go and visit like 4 or 5 clinics, do patients there. I have traveled to Kolhapur, I have traveled to Sangli, I have traveled to Nagpur and done like 100 patients in a day
What?
back then. Yeah.
How do you manage that? I mean, that is when you're also thinking कि अगर इसमें tech आ जाता तो काफी चीजें फटाक से हो जाती है, नहीं?
Absolutely.
That must be happening. Okay, fair. So go on.
Solid laborious work, right? वो किया. Then I basically said that look, braces is great, right? We all know kids use braces
हाँ जी.
maximum, right? But what I saw was happening abroad, right? Globally, was that this whole invisible braces technology was essentially coming up, right? And I said, yeah, if I want to get an edge in my practice, right, I can't just be doing things which everybody else is doing, right? If I want to get like a notch up, I need to do something which gives me an edge above others.
Yeah.
And that's how I landed up saying, "Ki, chalo, let's understand this whole invisible braces technology." And I pursued this great celebrity doctor in Paris.
Okay.
Right? I followed him. I consistently wrote 100 mails to him
Wow.
for almost 6 months. Right? I said, yeah, I have to come there. I want to come there and I want to see you. He was this celebrity doctor who has treated Kate Middleton. He has treated the entire Royal London family.
Ooh,
All of that.
fancy.
So 6-9 months I went on saying, yaar, get me there. Luck happened. Somehow he had some intern or somebody who went off on leave and stuff, and he wrote to me saying, hey, if you can fly down in a 4-day time span, I can have you here for a 6-month internship with me. I was like, 4 days, visa, pack, leave your life and go
To Paris.
to Paris.
Nice. As a single woman.
Yes, yes.
That part is not the best part, but yeah, why not? मतलब इतना आपने जो 6-9 महीना आपने रगड़ा उसका फल.
नहीं, यहाँ पे रगड़ा तो 4-5 years.
जी.
Here I went on over here. Went there, worked with him. I think the most brilliant 9-12 months of my life.
Yeah.
One part of it was obviously Paris.
Yes.
And second part of it was amazing learning. And towards the end, something really strange happened, right? I got an opportunity to actually continue my life and career there.
Oh damn.
So I literally had this opportunity to set up this whole fancy orthodontic practice over there, be an astute clinician, get access to the most high-end patients.
मतलब 6 degrees of separation आपका रॉयल परिवार के साथ था.
Yes. Yes.
तो मतलब आप कर ही सकती थी of course.
Yes,
Make
yes.
money in pounds and like.
It was very tempting, literally. Make money in pounds, dollars, all of that. And I was
Contemplating.
totally contemplating, totally considering. But I think somewhere the impact that invisible alternative to braces was available, and through that you could actually give lots of people, right, just the chance or the access to have a great smile. I felt like, yaar, should I do it in my fancy clinic over here in Paris, or should I
यार हमारे
just
देश में उसका
crack यार-
impact 100x होता.
exactly, right? एक तो impact 100x होता, and you know, here I was doing it through my clinic. I suddenly felt कि what if I can actually provide this to millions of Indians, right? And I had no idea, right? मतलब कैसे करेंगे, क्या करें? I was a doctor. I have
हाँ.
studied medical all my life, right?
Entrepreneurship का ई नहीं
geek.
मालूम आपको.
कुछ नहीं. अरे मेरे को बैलेंस शीट, P&L, income statements, all this was Greek and Latin to me. So I was like, ये कैसे करेंगे? I don't know. But this technology exists. People want to have a great smile because people want to feel good about themselves, right?
Yeah, yeah.
See, you can call it vain and all of that, but I basically feel that, look, everybody has the right to look and feel good,
हाँ सही बात है.
right? And if that feeling good makes you feel confident about yourself, I'm all for it,
Super.
right? So I said, look, what if I could find a way to give this to 600 million Indians in India,
Yeah.
right? That just stirred up something in me ki, yaar, it's okay, this is an amazing opportunity, but I think what will be more fulfilling is to find a way to do this back home, right? Very cliche, but I don't know, ho gaya. Got back home and then I scrambled, right? I looked for the right doctors who knew the tech. I actually worked with this fellow professor of mine,
ठीक है.
right, in a clinic in Khar.
तो सब काम आता है आपका. सब कुछ काम आता है.
Yeah, absolutely.
हाँ.
So I went to this professor in Khar. I studied and interned in his clinic for almost a year. He was working on this whole invisible aligner technology in his clinic, right?
Very
तो उनके
cool.
यहाँ पे एक कंप्यूटर था और एक छोटा सा क्लिनिक कम लैब था. वहाँ पे he used to make and print these aligners, and through that he would give it to other doctors who would then provide it to their patients.
Super.
So I went
And
there
of course
with the
the
interest
cost
of
भी बहुत
learning.
expensive होता होगा.
Yeah, right. So we used to make aligners over there, sell it to doctors. When I wanted to treat my own patients, right, with that product, the cost of the product in itself was close to, say, 1 lakh or so. right? So when I provide it to my patients, I will add my margin, my material, all of that on top of that, do
आपकी
treatment for a
मेहनत,
year,
हाँ.
right? So end price to consumer, there was no way to offer it at less than 1.52 lakhs, right? And the most popular product then was this whole global company ka product, which was given to patients at a price point of 3 lakhs.
Ouch.
Right? So then I realized, यार ये तो बड़ी समस्या है.
और तब अगर मेरे को अंतर के लिए जानना है कि ब्रेसेस कितने में आते थे तभी उसी टाइम पे?
So normal braces would be like 40-50,000. But braces, we know, right? Visible, painful, uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Adults will never take it, right? आप college जा रहे हो या job कर रहे हो and you'll not want to wear braces for 2 years, right? So out of 600 million Indians, imagine the Indian situation back then and to a certain extent now, right? 1-2% people get their teeth straightened.
Really?
Right? So 70% of us have malalignment, right? Have some smile issues, but literally 2% people get their teeth straightened, and it's because braces is very, very
Painful.
constraining, right? In so many ways.
हाँ, उनका एक अलग ब्रश भी आता है ना?
Yeah. You can't eat pizza, pav bhaji, pasta for 2 years. You have to keep cleaning your teeth. You visit the doctor 24 times in 2 years. It pains every time somebody tightens it, and you look.
You have braces.
You have braces, right?
I mean, all those Hollywood films जिनमें हमने देखा है.
Ugly Betty and this and that, and it plays, right? Especially when you're like in that, to be married zone, college, all of that. So what used to happen is kids would take braces and adults would stay away from it, right? So I said, okay, great. We have this amazing technology. We want all Indians to have access to this amazing smile, but people can't take it at a 3 lakh price point, right? You need the aam aadmi to be able to afford and get access to this, right? This was what my
100%.
dream was.
Yeah.
So I said, चलो अभी ये crack करना है. This is a fairly big problem to solve. That is when I actually, the same doctor जिसके यहाँ पे मैं intern कर रही थी in Khar, I actually got super animated, set out this whole dream plan with him and told him, you become my partner, we will build this company.
Wow.
Right? He laughed, obviously, for the first 6 months.
हाँ जी.
But then over time, I think I convinced him, drew out a full roadmap, plan, etc. He and one other doctor, and later eventually another doctor. So 4 orthodontists got together, no knowledge of business, no management education, no training whatsoever. भाई हम करेंगे.
Kudos to all your co-founders, in fact. Clap for Meko.
Absolutely.
Today, y'all are, if you can give me some figure that will be like, oh my god, we're there. If you can't declare on camera, please let me know right now.
So today we are a 220 crore GMV ARR company. Thank you.
This is what you can do if you put your mind to it.
Yes.
ये है मेहनती
for
हैं,
sure.
ये पूरी गीक हैं, वो सब सत्य है. और हम शायद एक रास्ते में आपका आने वाला एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर वहाँ उतर के अंदर भी देख सकेंगे ना?
हाँ, actually, I have
Why
not
not?
seen it. We can actually step in and see it.
Superb. So we'll explore that so that I
Yeah.
know the process and I see the product in my hand.
You'll get to know. Correct.
Tell me this. हम मैशबल मॉर्निंग्स पे मॉर्निंग रूटीन की बात ना करें, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. तो आपका मॉर्निंग रूटीन क्या है?
So my morning routine has actually been very straightforward, very much like clockwork, literally for the last 20 years of my life, or as long as I can remember.
Same
right?
नाश्ता टाइप also.
नाश्ता मैं नहीं करती. I have this same एकदम specific chai, right? I have to have that chai and I have to sit. तो एक consistent routine है. So I'm a mornings person, all through and through. मतलब I have to get up at 6 a.m. and get my 3 hours before the day starts.
अच्छा जी.
Before the action
ये
starts,
आपके
I have
अकेले के
to. Yes, ये मेरा है, and believe me, मतलब I'm anti-social at that time, right? I will not like anybody coming into my space for those 3-4 hours.
Superb, ठीक है.
Right? Because वो 11 बजे action start हो जाता है and then it's madness,
Yeah.
right? So this time from that 7 to 10 or 7 to 11, right,
हाँ जी.
is my time. It's me. I'm a little bit of a spiritual person, right? So I will pray for about 15-20 minutes. I will meditate for some 15-20 minutes. After that, I will sit with my chai, with a book, with some newspaper, and with my laptop.
मेरे को ये बताओ कि टुत्सी के बारे में तो हमको सबको पता है. क्या है आपका टैगलाइन भी बहुत सुंदर है. with that whole thing that
Easy peasy tootsie.
Easy peasy tootsie. We should do it again. 1, 2, 3.
Easy peasy tootsie.
क्या बात है. तो एज एन एडल्ट, और मेरे दांतों के बारे में तो कमेंट्स में आता ही है.
Correct.
देख लो भाई आप लोग. But like my canine, my that
Yes.
प्रीमोलर या प्रीमोलर
Premolar and
तो
canine.
मतलब
काफी पता है
थोड़ा
आपको?
मतलब हाँ, इतने तो पढ़ाई करके आते हैं हम लोग. और वो सडनली याद आ जाता है 5th 6th स्टैंडर्ड का डायग्राम. तो मैं भी ये लगा सकता हूँ?
Absolutely. Anybody from 13, 14 years of age to 65 years of age can actually use aligners and get an awesome smile in a 6 to 15 month time frame. Most common is 6 to 9 month time frame.
Really?
Yes.
Or it won't hurt?
It will not hurt. It's comfortable. It is invisible. दिखेगा भी नहीं when you wear it. It's flexible. And you just have to wear like a set of 20 trays. Change each tray every 15 days.
Okay.
And in 6 to 9 months, you're sorted with a great smile. Right? You don't need a doctor to tighten things every month. You'll require 1 or 2 clinic visits. But that's principally it.
और रात को सोते समय पहनते हैं आप और फिर मतलब?
Yes. You wear it in the day also. You remove it while eating.
That's
About 4-5 hours in the day you remove it. You remove it while brushing, while eating, all of that. Baki rest of the day you wear it. Right? You can talk with it. You can live your life with it.
Yeah.
It's just a part of your life, right? It is not eating into your life in principle.
Fair enough. ये बताओ तो फिर then how did you evolve? Basically the नाम का concept कहाँ से आया?
हाँ. So we built out the Tootsie piece first, right? In 1.5-2 years, we created the aligner category in India, which was honestly non-existent back then, right?
Cool.
So
फिर?
created that, became market leaders in that category. We outdid the global leaders in the space, by the way, क्योंकि
Oh,
तभी maximum doctors used to use that global product, right?
Ah.
US based company है. They used to use that. We grew larger than them because we could provide it to consumers at a price point of 60,000.
Okay.
Right? So customers literally then wanted access to it, right? एक 3 लाख 2 लाख का प्रोडक्ट है जो आपको 60,000 में मिल रहा है, सेम लेवल ऑफ क्वालिटी, एफिशिएंसी, वेरी गुड टेक्नोलॉजी, एंड दैट्स हाउ दिस सेगमेंट ग्रू, राइट? Once aligners happened, I think what we realized is we are not just providing dental treatment, right? We are providing a solution to customers to help them look good in a clinical way, right? And then that's when me and my co-founder sat and thought, can we recreate this magic in another segment, right? And that's how the thought of dermatology came about. And we said, okay, let's try skin, right? And that's how we entered into the cosmetic derma space. We recreated that whole piece with dermatology treatments, laser hair removal, hydrofacials, medical facials, anti-aging treatments, and so
Nice.
on, right? And again, the backbone of the foundation was the same, right? Even in Tootsie. So we have actually built a seamless end-to-end digital platform. So customer basically website app ke through, right? You can book a consult at home. Somebody will come to your home, do a teeth scan for you at your home.
Oh wow.
You can talk to doctors, video consult, walk into our centers, or virtually. You can visualize the entire smile plan on your app and mobile phone, right? आप घर बैठे बैठे देख सकते हो, अच्छा ठीक है ये मेरा smile plan है, should I go with it or no? You can pay digitally. You can actually do your entire treatment progress monitoring on the app, right?
सुपर. तो ये ऐप का लिंक नीचे डाल रहे हैं हम लोग लिंक पे.
हाँ.
आप लोग डाउनलोड कर लो और आप लोग हमको स्पेशल डिस्काउंट दिलवाओगे ना?
Done,
उसका एक अलग लिंक आएगा. Some Mashable Morning
Yes.
perks that we want in life.
Fair.
फिर Mako is the OG name that you all basically
Correct.
came
So
up
this
with.
platform is what we basically leveraged to say now we can expand into skin. Later we can expand into hair. Later we can do body. Any and everything, right? People between 16 to 65 years of age who want to look good and feel good about themselves should be able to come to our platform and use a combination of technology and doctors to help them achieve this.
बहुत
Right?
super.
And that is basically how the thought process of Mako came about.
ठीक है.
Mako is short for clinical makeovers.
Wow.
And we said, hey, we are a clinical makeover platform.
But you
right?
sound cool.
Yes, correct. We've always been that, right? Like our brand has to, be fun, fresh, young,
Yeah.
quirky. Because our core is we use new age technologies in
Okay.
everything, right? So our derma treatments are also all new age technology, which will be used to provide or aid with hair removal or facials and so on. And aligners also is core technology.
Nice. तो एक बार देख लेते हैं ताकि मैं समझ पाऊं और फिर मैं उसको एम्यूलेट करूं अपने सवालों में. ठीक है?
Done.
चले?
चल.
For the first time on Mashable Morning, we are able to actually do this thanks to Dr. Arpi Mehta. Let's go. We don't generally end up getting the chance to do this on Mashable Mornings.
Yeah.
Purely because we met with a lot of co-founders and founders, but just to be able to go to the business and see the experience center will be something interesting. आप लोगों को कैसा लगता है बताना कमेंट्स में आप लोग को. आओ. Okay, so Mako, the OG name, like we spoke in the car.
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
This doesn't look like any like dental clinic at all. आप कुछ बोल रही थी, बताओ please.
ये डेंटल क्लिनिक नहीं है.
नहीं है
ना
ना?
ये डेंटल क्लिनिक है, ना ये डर्मा क्लिनिक है.
Okay.
This is the Mako Experience Center. So
Super.
it's a clinical makeover center, right? People come in for smile, skin, hair,
Oh wow.
anything. You can walk
That's the
in.
diversification.
Yeah, that's the diversification. So basically, anything that will help you look good, feel good, and you need doctors to help you with that, right? Clinical intervention to help you look and feel good about yourself.
Super.
फिर वो products हो, treatments हो, everything.
Nice. Come, let's go.
Yeah. So this is the center vibe. We've intentionally made it fun, young, quirky, and not like a clinic at all.
Okay. Nice.
Uh,
I mean, you have the color red. It makes you happy and feel good.
ये हमारा brand colors बहुत thoughtfully.
हाँ, nicely.
Red is my favorite color, personal.
Fair. चलिए ना.
So this is the toothsy chamber. So this, for example, right, she's actually doing the scan, the
Okay.
teeth scan
ठीक है.
of the customer.
Can you
So
show
for-
us?
Yeah. So that's the intraoral scanner.
Can we see?
Yeah, come.
आइए ना, बताइए ना. So this is the.
So do you see this?
हाँ जी.
This is the real intraoral 3D dental scan, right? That's
मतलब ये जो
basically
अभी
happening.
इसके अंदर कैमरा है.
हाँ.
Could you show that, ma'am? आप वो दिखा दो हमको.
ये देखो, इसको क्लिक करो. हाँ, ये दिख रहा है?
हाँ जी,
This is
उस
like a
कैमरा की
camera.
तरफ दिखाओ.
It's literally like a video camera, right? ऐसा सोचो कि दांत का 3D वीडियो कैमरा है. तो ये पहले स्कैन लिया.
हाँ जी.
This records all the teeth, the soft tissues, everything. That 3D scan, once it gets recorded, then what we do is there's basically doctors, orthodontists, dentists, जो हमारे lab में बैठते हैं. Our lab is in Andheri.
We'll
They
get crash
sit-
that place. If you comment at least like this 5 comments also, we'll get crash that place.
हाँ.
ठीक है, done. तो that lab basically
हाँ,
analyzes.
तो ये फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर स्कैन है राइट तो देन दैट लैब विल लुक एट द टीथ एक्चुअली मूव द टीथ अराउंड सो यू नो ब्रेसेस वेयर अ डॉक्टर यूज टू मूव द टीथ इन द डेंटल चेयर राइट आप ब्रेसेस पे वो मेटल लगाते हो फिर वायर से दांत को खींचते
So
हो
it was the orthodontist's expertise.
Yeah, the orthodontist used to basically move around with the wires and brackets to physically move the teeth. Cut to today, this technology, the orthodontist is sitting on the computer, right? He is moving the teeth over here, right? ये यहाँ पे he will basically move the teeth on the software, and that is how he'll plan the entire treatment, design the entire smile, right? And that treatment plan then gets 3D printed in the form of teeth aligners. I'll show you the teeth aligners.
Let's see.
This
Oh, wow.
is the aligner, right? So there's a 3D printing facility over there. That's India's largest US FDA certified 3D printing facility. Thank you, sir.
And to your co-founder.
But ये वहाँ पे 3D print होता है.
Okay.
तो every month we print out at least like 1 to 2 lakhs of these aligner
Oh,
pieces.
wow.
It's like customization at scale, right?
Super.
Mass customization. So this is what goes in the customer's mouth, right?
And then this somebody just like puts it in. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Think of braces, think of our childhoods where it used to hurt and you had like 24 visits to the doctor and tightening and pain and all of that. This is like the customer will wear it 15 days, move to the next tray, another 15 days, move to the next tray. So over a 6 to 8 month time frame, you're wearing 20, 30 trays, your smile is sorted.
Oh, super, boss. Thank you so much for showing us. Very rarely do we have
My
a privilege
pleasure.
of seeing the product and experiencing the whole process. What
so
is this
that
now?
is like the skin
Okay.
treatment room.
So this is Skinsy.
This is skin, right? यहाँ पे we do all your laser hair removal, technology based medical facials, anti-aging treatments, pigmentation treatments, and so on. So dermatologist is here, therapist is here. Again, here also we primarily do technology based treatments.
What
so
is this
that
now?
Is like the skin
Okay.
treatment room.
So this is Skinsy.
This is skin, right? यहाँ पे we do all your laser hair removal, technology based medical facials, anti-aging treatments, pigmentation treatments, and so on. So dermatologist is here, therapist is here. Again, here also we primarily do technology based treatments, right? So that's your hydrofacial machine, right?
What
so
is a
this-
Hydra facial?
So salon based facials is something that doctors don't recommend,
Okay.
right? Because it hurts your skin, it harms your skin, bleaching
Oh,
होता
really?
है. हाँ, पूरी दुनिया वही करती आ रही है. But now we're breaking that with increased awareness.
Ouch.
These are derma based facials, like a dermatologist recommends it. So they actually use a machine with water infusion, right? So there's water and oxygen infusion into the skin, which will result in proper skin becoming healthy, glowing,
मतलब मोटा मोटी
tight.
जो हम करते ही थे वो जो स्टीम लेके करते थे वैसा सा, but
Correct.
this
So
is
more natural, more medical. There are some medical grade ingredients also as part of this. That plus water and oxygen gets infused into the skin. So this is one hydrofacial. We have laser hair removal, which is laser technology. Puri zindagi we keep waxing, and now at least this comes and solves for that.
there are a lot of myths and things that people worry about. It's not like dentistry के साथ वो आता नहीं था,
Correct.
but I'm sure laser hair removal के साथ भी वो होता होगा.
Yeah.
Can you tell me how well this performs and how does it do it?
Hair removal, right? When you apply laser light, right, of a certain specified wavelength to the root of the hair, right, that actually causes a damage or death of the follicle, which slowly inhibits the growth of the hair from there on. Women, especially, all our lives we've been waxing forever and forever.
Yeah.
So this is like an amazing solution to it. And by the way, it's painless, right?
Really?
It actually is painless. Well, at least for me, I'm a very pain sensitive person. So waxing, I used to get terrified of.
Thank you so much. Thank you to your team who've been nice enough to let us in.
Yes.
And I'll follow you. That was fun. Basically मुझे ये समझ गया आपका कि वो scanning हो रही थी. The other side of things also is understood. But congratulations. This is a new center. तो ये बताओ कि ये आपकी जिंदगी में कितना change आया और when you're going out to pitch as a female entrepreneur, how difficult would you see vendors' reactions and like how easy or hard was it to do that?
Look, I think the reality is there is still a difference in the way people perceive young females doing a startup versus an elderly male, right? Matlab, there have been meetings where I have intentionally kept one elder male next to me, right? Just for the negotiation, so सामने वाले आदमी को लगे कि यार there is a powerful opposite figure, right? Otherwise, it would take time, right, for them to not take me lightly, right? So have done these workarounds and hacks. Over time, didn't need it, right? Then
Now
as you grow
exuberate a
larger,
certain
people
amount of-
know it. As you grow larger, people know your brand. Abhi to like when you walk, right, people be like, oh, Virat Kohli, Anushka Sharma wala brand, right? Then that's enough.
Yeah.
So it's taken its own time, but I think I didn't think too much about it. My family was very supportive, and I think that is the most critical when it comes to women doing this.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. And is the app happening because of COVID? Because 2018 you all started, right?
So we started in 2019.
19.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. 2020 is when the business model took solid shape and form. Right.
Okay.
We had like the entire framework in place. As soon as we had that in place and we knew that we had something going, COVID struck. And we were like, yaar, abhi to formula crack kar diya.
That hurts.
Right. And that time it was like, chalo, formula crack kar diya. We are doing a home scan. And after that, we're doing this entire treatment where the people will actually do digital monitoring of their entire treatment progress.
Yeah.
We had done all of that. And COVID struck, and all around us, people were like unemployed. Pata nahi tha kya hoga. Will people even spend on a discretionary product, right?
Yeah.
God knows, right? People will probably spend more on essentials. So it was a moment when we were like, kya hoga? I think that was the moment where we said, okay, let's have confidence. Let's do what we do. Let's tweak everything to make it amenable for this new COVID world.
Yeah.
So we went completely into the online mode, right? We had people with PPE masks go home and take a scan at home.
Oh my
We had
God.
video consultations. We completely moved away with physical consultations. Center, say we completely moved away. We restricted all your center-based visits to just 1 or 2. That also in full PPE. Patient is also wearing PPE. Doctor is also wearing PPE.
Oh,
all of
yeah.
that. And some amazing thing happened, right? People started embracing the digital concept, right? Because of COVID, people started
App friendly हो गए ना हम सब हो गए ऐसा.
correct. At one point in time, obviously, so many people told me, right? Are you telling me that जो चीज डॉक्टर कर रहा है क्लिनिक में ब्रेसेस के साथ, will a patient ever trust you to say, हाँ, I will be 1 or 2 visits at the clinic, but बाकी मैं पूरा app and video consult and digital से करूँगा. This is going to be incredibly tough, right? But I think COVID made it easy. Right? People started thinking of it as the norm. People started thinking of it as normal.
Yeah.
And that's how the trust also kicked in over time. Plus, we have always had a doctor at every step of the process, right? So there is a person that goes home, does your consultation. We have 2-3 visits scheduled at our centers. So you have a doctor at every step of the process. Our back-end treatment planning is done by specialists. There are specialists in the laboratory, all of that. So people started realizing that, hey, there is expert access at all times, and there is convenience of being at home, right? So this solves for everything, right?
Yeah.
People who want to meet doctors in person walk into our centers, meet doctors, do clinical visits there. People who prefer कि यार इतना सारा मेरे को नहीं जाना है, I can do my digital monitoring, they use our app.
ये बताओ, how are you hiring, right?
We have one set of very logical, codified things that we want to know, right, with respect to hiring. So that happens very structured. But at least there are 2 or 3 things which I personally keep as very, very important.
As the core culture of
yes.
Tutsi, okay?
Yes.
Meko.
I think at least what we have designed here is कि competent, yes, the person has to be, IQ, all of that has to be there, and domain or functional expertise. But if there is a trade-off can be made there, but not in terms of grit, passion, deliverance.
Yeah.
Right? I think these are the key qualities that we look for in anybody that we hire, right? And that person could be somebody very young, part of the call center, or that person could be extremely senior, a CXO in my company.
Nice.
Right? Somebody who is really hungry to nail it and to give it his all is the foremost, right? We have seen that people who may not even be very competent or may not have that much experience can
But are
actually
into-
learn that.
Yeah.
They will evolve and get into it as long as they have that fire and that passion कि यार करना है.
Nice.
So that's core. Baki everybody was smiling and happy,
Yeah.
right? See, we are a brand that stands for creating smiles,
Service
carving
industry है
smiles,
आपकी.
giving smiles,
हाँ,
right? तो important है कि हम smile करें, right? So all of us are a happy set of people, optimistic set of people, eternal optimists, right? There's this always this fun vibe. वो बहुत जरूरी है. Everybody has fun while working equally hard.
Nice. और ये बताओ कि विराट अनुष्का एज ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स लाना किसका थॉट था और कितना कठिन था?
Yes. So thought was mine.
अरे वाह.
Yes. I think our thought was पहले तो ये था कि चलो we get a celebrity, we get a known face, all of that. But I think what was important for us was to embody the persona that we want our consumers to be, or what the consumers are aspiring to be, right? Today our customers are aspiring to have a great smile, but they're passionate, they're ambitious, they want to be successful, all of that, right? So I think that's where the thought of Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma came about. Okay, yes, these are celebrities, great, but you know, they are the embodiments of what people want to be. They
Yeah.
have great smiles, both of them.
Correct.
They're an amazing, lovely, fun, happy couple.
Yeah, no.
Right? Totally, right? And they embody what our customers want to be,
Yeah.
right? So that's how the thought came about. And obviously the first thought was, यार ये कैसे होगा, right? मतलब Virat Kohli, Anushka Sharma, crazy. But I think again, luck happened, things fell into place. The economics all worked out.
यार मेरे को ये बताओ, डर्मा और स्किन के आसपास ना एक बहुत पोलराइजिंग पार्ट भी है ना, कि डू यू वर्क और गेट वर्क डन ऑन योरसेल्फ और डू यू embrace how you are? What do you have to say about that? Because that's a tricky space. Even when you're going educating the market,
Yes.
it can be a difficult treading path.
No, absolutely. I think, look, the core of what all of us as humans are, right? We at the end of the day want to be happy and feel great and confident and amazing about ourselves.
Yes.
Right? So we're all about if, right, helping you get better skin, a better smile, right, makes you look good and feel good about yourself, why not, right? I don't look at this as vanity. I think it is completely okay and it should be normalized to want to look good and feel good, right? क्योंकि अगर आप बोलोगे कि यार ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं होना चाहिए, then don't wear good clothes, right?
Yeah.
Or you know, look shabby every single day of the week, right? You don't do that. Why don't you do that? Because you want to feel good about yourselves. You want to be perceived also well, and that makes you feel confident, and that makes you take two bigger and better steps in life, right? So what we are actually doing is honestly a natural plus medical way of looking good. So आप cosmetic industry देख लो, वो booming है. People are putting artificial things on their faces, makeup, lipstick, all of that, right? To look good. What we are at the end of the day saying is that, hey, as doctors, we can actually help your skin look better. We can help your smile look better. We can help you stand tall. So is there any taboo in doing this? We don't think so, right? And
Yeah.
a lot of this I learned when I was in Paris, right? People were proud to say, hey, I want to look good and feel amazing.
Yeah.
Right? Imagine, like I said, right, 90-year-old women were saying, it's important for me to have a great smile. I want to walk to my friends in a dinner and have a great smile.
Perfect.
So be it, right? Be proud of that and own it up. Own up to it, right? So
Perfect,
I
yeah.
think I think everybody at our, in our company totally embodies that spirit all through and through.
Perfect. 3 tips for any person or any actually women trying to be entrepreneurs as another fellow woman.
Look, honestly, I am a fan of women in the workplace, right?
Yeah.
You'll see my team, we are 45% female,
क्या बात है?
even the leadership.
Wow.
Right? I have not intentionally done that, but I think in my experience, I've just found women to be so gritty, so hardworking, and so determined to get what they want, right? That's an amazing quality that I've seen exceptionally stand out in women.
Correct.
And therefore, honestly, I don't think women need advice, honestly, in entrepreneurship. I think what they need to just constantly remember is just be confident and, keep at it, right?
Yeah.
Just don't be in self-doubt ever, right? I think that's the only thing women need to be reminded of.
कि entrepreneurship or not.
Yeah, entrepreneurship or not, especially entrepreneurship, obviously, you have a long winding way to go. But don't be in self-doubt. Don't doubt yourself ever, right? Everybody goes through their share of ups and downs. There are difficulties in society, acceptance, ye wo hoga, right? But just be very, very confident and be out there. And I think the advice is more for also people that surround women who want to make it. I think if that support system is strong,
Yes.
it goes a long way,
Yeah.
right? And that comes for me, at least out of personal experience. My husband, like I said, my father-in-law, my father, my parents, my friends, right? Everybody has supported me all through and through. And then people are like, you go, right? Is when you go. I think that's all women need. In terms of talent and intelligence and perseverance, they are amazing.
Yeah, I 100% agree. So, what is the vision in the future for Meko now?
At the end of the day, if Indians feel awesome about themselves and they feel confident at the end of, taking something from us, I think we are happy. Right?
Yes.
What I could do as a doctor on 100 people in a month, today if my platform can do that for 3,000 people in a month, right? That is magic for me.
All the best.
Honestly.
All the best to that and to your team. आपको मजा आया?
I loved it. I had a great time, Siddharth. I think this format is very cool.
Yeah.
It really works. Thank you.
Thank you so much for being on Mashable Mornings, Dr. Abhi Mehta.
Thank
We
you so
have
much.
had a great insight into Meko, Tootsie, Skinsy, and I think I'm going to drop by in one of the experience centers very soon.
Awesome.
Yeah, and
You should.
probably my wife's coming along too.
Yes, you should experience it along the way. Tell me if it was fun.
Yes, of course. आप लोगों के लिए सब्सक्राइब करना तो है ही जरूरी, बट नीचे लिंक में ना हमने कुछ डिस्काउंटेड कूपन्स डलवा दिए इनसे बात करके. आई एम होपिंग हमें मिल रहे हैं. तो वो लिंक रहेगा, उसके नीचे एक ऐप डाउनलोड का लिंक रहेगा, ताकि आप किसी भी पार्ट में बैठे हो आप वो एटलीस्ट टेक एक्सेस करके इनके सेंटर तक जा सकते हैं. बट दिस इज मी सिद्धार्थ अहमद साइनिंग ऑफ.